Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So since we are here in Baguio, so as you know that from morning we are already here, so we have some time to explore around. So I just came over here in Mines View Park. So just we are going inside and we will explore it. I had it in the past like 4 years back, 4 or 5 years. So I'm just going inside and let's see, we can have some aerial shoot. Ali is with me already as usual. He's charming guy today.
Yeah, charming with blue head.
Blue head. So which track we have to follow? So
Are you following some track? We're out of track.
there's a way.
Okay, there is. So when we go so down,
Yeah.
let's see some t-shirt later.
Yes, we will. So it's remind me actually that time it was so crowdy in I believe it was yeah, July 2017.
Because I remember one of my girlfriend before she bought a t-shirt.
Okay. You wanna ride Ali? The horse is matching to your hair.
But you know, I know very well how to ride the horse.
Really?
Yeah. I know
Okay,
very well
that's
how
so
to ride.
cool.
But it's only for the pictures.
Uh-huh.
I think so.
Yeah, pick maybe or probably we can
No, I don't want to make a picture.
okay. But I have it earlier.
Yeah, take picture.
You're the Indian hat.
Pakistani, no?
Sorry sir?
You use the Indian hat.
Ah, that's the one. You wanna do it?
No?
We will be
No,
just
no,
back
no.
just because we are just here for the view. Thank you sir, later yeah.
Horse ride, I
Thank-
know horse ride.
Oh, this
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm just following this track. Be careful, watch your steps. Ah, that's the one only. That's the main view only here. This is the mines view. Hello.
No, don't try, don't die. Okay.
Wow. So that's the outstanding view over here. So this is actually behind me. You can have the outstanding view of the mines. Why do you have any idea why they call it mines?
Maybe there are some mines here. They have made somewhere, I don't know.
Is your camera is good?